First of all, I've been dealing with this for about 6 years, and this is the first time that I've seen an opportunity like this, and it is so awesome to see all of these people here. Thank you, Ms. Favors. I mean, this is a rare opportunity that all of us have, not just to air our grievances, but to actually make a difference. My name is Josh Dzik. I'm a student at UTC. I went back to school. I've been dealing with this again for 6 years. For 4 years, I never missed a payment. Me and my ex I was paying every month. And then I got a new job. They hit me with, I was making $36,000 a year, that's gross. And they hit me with $1,500 a month. It's $1,253 in child support, $250 for insurance. I had just gotten a new apartment for my kids so they could stay with me and see me. I ended up having to move out of my apartment. I couldn't live there. I stayed in my car for a couple months. Tried to work it out. Not only couldn't get back into court, so their rearage just kept $1,253 a month, $1,253 a month, $1,253 a month. I think what a lot of people don't realize here, and I've studied a lot about this. I'm actually doing a film on this. But a lot of people don't understand what Maximus is, and it's a if you don't know, they're actually trading at $61 now on the New York Stock Exchange. It is a private company. It is a private company that the Department of Human Services and others have hired as a collection agency. And as we all know in a business, their number one priority is to make a profit and to make money for their shareholders. It is not, despite what they say, to do what's in the best interest of our kids. It is not. I've lost my license. This is the second time I've lost my driver's license. I took the car to here, so I'd like to thank Carter for getting me here tonight. I was going to study abroad for a summer. They took my passport. They've taken, I can't get an apartment now because my arrearage is on my credit report. You can't hunt, you can't fish. They'll take those licenses away too. Most importantly, they take away time with your kids. Okay. Now, I fought to see my kids. I just got the legal right, which I think is ridiculous. July 11th this year to actually see my kids after 7 years of fighting, and I finally actually have the legal right to see my kids. Now, let me tell you briefly what I've gone through to see my kids. And I understand that I have a financial obligation. I think everybody here has no problem paying child support. I think it's the method in which it's collected and it's the amount. And it forces us into destitution. But you know, there have been times where I try to see my kids. The mother won't let me. She's told me she's out to hurt me. She wants me to suffer. There was a time I used to go to all their swim lessons, all their baseball games, all of this. She didn't want me to go. I said, well, don't you think that's going to hurt the kids? And she said, yes, but that's going to hurt you too. And this is what I've been dealing with for 7 years. That being said, I think part of the problem is Maximus. However, I also believe that that's only the start. The start is in the law. I don't know if anybody's read the law, but it's a 69-page a bunch of words full of lawyer speak, which says, and I understand how they come up with the numbers. I understand, you know, they don't want the children to suffer. You know, what they do is they take the income, what an average family makes, what an average family spends on the kids, and even if you're separated, that's what you're supposed to spend on the kids, and it obviously doesn't make sense because you're paying for 2 households as opposed to 1. Now, I've actually spoken with one of the guys, thank you, that's in charge of this. His name is David Betson. I'm more than he's responsible for the law along with the Department of Human Services. He's actually an economics professor at Notre Dame. Let's see. You know, now I think that all of us can make a difference. You know, one at a time. When we hit Maximus and when we hit you know, one complaint at a time, it's like throwing a pebble out a window. And I think all of us together, I think we can shatter that window and make a difference. And And again, thank you for this opportunity, and hopefully something to come out of this.